What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to fix a door that rattles in the wind. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this here is a very common problem and it literally takes seconds to fix. Most people don't know how to do it. We open up the door and we're going to have a look at our strike plate. So we're going to have a quick look at our strike plate here. If we have a look inside the little recessed area here, you'll notice there's a little tongue that goes all the way through. And there's also a little slot here. So what's happening is the latch is dead center on the middle here, and it's got a bit of play on either side, and that's what causes that rattling during the wind. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little tongue section here. You'll notice there's a little slot. We'll take a little flathead screwdriver, slide that in there, and we're simply going to pry back just a little bit. And you can see there we've now reduced the amount of clearance on the inside. So we're going to do that just a little bit more. We're going to close the door and we'll test it and see if we need any further adjustments. So we'll close the door and test it. Still needs a little bit more adjustment. So once again, bend that out just a little bit more. So now we'll close the door and test it out one more time. And there you have it, guys. There's absolutely no movement in that, no more rattling whatsoever. Nice simple fix. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.